Hello, my people, and welcome back to Football Mede Podcast with the Republicans. And of course, as usual, we don't land Gidigba like tutorial to make sure so we tutorial once again onto the happenings for inside the world of football. My name is Jovita, but there if you don't call me the sexy Joe, as usual, I know the waka come alone. I be Liverpool. Yes, I never walk alone. I dey here with the men with Sabi talking about Onokala Buchi, the Laba master, the FMM license coach, the big face himself, and of course, Manuel Attah. Una they call him the most expensive, but I they call him Attah. No.
Thank you so much, Jovita, firstborn of the family. You know, see, firstborn, they need the contest for their position. Now, small boys go the.
And not true, firstborn, lastborn. Respect them.
You should not get respect now.
All right, my people, don't be small something. Make we get down to business. Been a very, very big and of course worrisome couple of days as far as the Super Eagles Wakade concerned. We played the qualifiers last week, and of course we managed Bake one condo victory over Libya. And of course to go their place now, go play, come become problem. And we don't see a lot of happenings, but thankfully our players don't come back. But then I want to ask Una, how Una see this matter and how Una feel say CAF go handle this matter, because we know it's not be the first time where this kind of thing they happen for that North African country called Libya. And of course some of our club side don't suffer for their hand. I remember I think 2021 Rivers United, as then they train, then off light. I even see in Nigeria, then there when I see them they train for inside darkness, because we know how light they go for here. And of course Enyimba Super Eagles on even better now 20 hours. Enyimba on now like 24 hours 9 before they manage even come back home. But then, how una see this one, and how una feel say CAF suppose handle them? Emma, make I start with you.
Well, I feel say normally my opinion when I
your not be here talk. Say my opinion. You talk say your opinion.
The country Libya as it stand, I don't even expect CAF to take any match where they involve Libya national team to that particular region. If I thought they go play any game, I expect CAF from beginning before now to make provisions for neutral ground. But as it don't be, these are normal things where they do. I'm not just as you correctly say. No be today they don't. No be now they don't do. Now what they don't really do since. But just as I say, they go. Unfortunately, they go down to a national team where at this time where there's what they call power of social media where people can feel speak out. You understand? So it's left for the necessary bodies inside CAF to take their decision. Waiting we talk. Anything what they will talk now, you go be waiting with few say they go do. But Libya FA go make their own statement. Nigerian Football Federation too go make their own statement. Then CAF go look the matter. Go come see how they go take judge the game, the matter waiting up between Libya national team and Nigerian national team for the AFCON qualifier for 2025. If not to replay the match, or not to take the match to neutral ground or whatever. So everything go day inside CAF hand. Anything we talk now, would you now just say now comment now how do you call it we just our opinion as sport commentators.
We are work.
Buchi, make I come to you. You feel say boycotting that match now the best decision where NFF did take?
If those players been played that match, I forswear for all of them. I tell you, I will go my village, Otumopo. You go catch all of them. Because you cannot disrespect me so much. See, the Libyans don't disrespect the players. The Libyans disrespect Nigeria. And let's be honest, all this way they do not pre-planned. If the Libyans say they come Nigeria, I will treat them bad. What's in the process? Report to CAF. That is the right process. Say, oh, CAF, Nigeria don't do us well, then you follow due process. But others say, oh, the computer for that, we'll go do them back. Clear as clear can be. They say they go do Nigeria back. It's just very, very funny. They even risks the life of our players. The pilot confirm them, going to Benghazi, instruction from above to switch their air flight. And the pilot they complain, say, he don't get enough fuel. They risk the life of these players. We don't want to talk about that one. To switch that flight. Go anywhere they carry them go. It makes absolutely no sense because of waiting. Pettiness. And you keep footballers, professional footballers for airport for how many hours? You bully them. Physically, mentally, and you want me to come play that match? No. I don't talk on before. I think if Nigeria think. When I see through Ekong statement say, we know they play, I was so proud. I was so proud. I was so proud. It don't take time when we say countries go they stand up to this, not Africans, nothing against them, but when they do them consistently for a long time. The more you keep on bowing to their pressure, the more they keep on doing it. And now we go know whether CAF, that serious federation, and now we go know. Because I'm not saying it because I'm a Nigerian. I'm saying it because the facts are clear. Would they see the facts? From switching of the flights to treatment of the players, would they see them? You lock players for airport. It's clear. Now we go know.
Talking about the mental state of the players, for your mind, if you say this one in any way go affect them or if you say them go move on.
Brother, let me tell you, that Nigerian spirit, trust me, we can survive in the hardest of conditions. We get them. Our players, they were frustrated though, but they switched their frustration to happiness. They were cruising. They were happy. Say, you cannot keep my spirit. Like. The Libyans, they would para. So our players do the verse. You don't see, you see the pictures from videos from players like Boniface, players like Ola, players like the captain Truth Ekong, players like Wambali will complain, say, a whole chief. Somebody go village. So you see, so can't time if you vex too much, anger they bring out the evil in you. Anger will make you express too much emotions, and emotions can mess you up. So our players then control their emotions. That's why they give enough respect and shout out to the captain of the team, Truth Ekong. They're easy to put in 23 or 25 players in control. And our players, they handle the situation far more than professionals. These are the first time in a long time I talk, say, Omo, are they proud of Nigerian Super Eagles players?
Talking about being proud of the Nigerian Super Eagles, make we come to CAF. Not be today this thing, not be today get center party. This thing don't they happen, especially for African football. The antics, especially from North Africans. Why you feel say CAF no one tackle this issue once and for all? We don't see where club sides suffer and the same Libya, and we don't see where some other countries they employ different tactics to make sure say they play one kind mind game with their opponent so that their opponent go either for Yakata or then go lose guard and then go Colombia the 3 points. Why you feel say and what you feel say CAF fit do to take stop this kind antics, because they say when handshake don't pass elbow, you don't turn gidigbo.
First of all,
that's nice. Handshake,
understand.
wow.
You need to understand. Say football is serious business.
No, we don't know before.
And the North Africans, when it comes to football for Africa, they very influential when it comes to money level. A lot, they do a lot behind the back door. Now the finished product now we see for stadium TV with the watch or listen to for radio. You understand the planning of the game, waiting. You don't know what in these North African teams or North African clubs they bring into CAF table. So CAF no go just rush take decision like that. They go look waiting these teams they invest. They look with the impact
I don't understand. We are talking about the main situation.
They don't do them since. If
I don't understand.
Jovita, do you think? Do any of you yet think say CAF no they away? CAF they away. You understand? They know they bias. It gets some decision they rush take them because you go wait for it for front. Remember, FIFA. How many seats they CAF sit? We get the Arab nations, we get the Francophone nations, we get people where they get stake. The CAF seat is not just West African teams alone. Make una know these things now.
So you feel say now
you understand? So
CAF almost 15 hours, 18 hours to take reply or at least shoot.
That is when they are aware of what is happening.
Your mouth for Mike now.
Now when they are aware of the situation, what they happen for Benghazi, for Libya, say in fact the pilot.
When we say the players,
according to him, according to the pilot,
CAF spoke
13 minutes before he go line, I don't get information. Say if you ever land. Meanwhile, and it's against according to him, it's against the rules of aviation. Yeah. So they took him away from that particular place of land. You understand? So he goes to say if CAF go just can't take decision like that. No. North African teams, North African clubs, don't they do all these antics for a long time? You understand? To take decision right now, they would need proper investigation whether these particular antics are part of their lifestyle or they don't have to frustrate opponents.
Buchi, you feel say if to say this thing no happen to Super Eagles, because I don't mention Rivers United, at least two Nigerian club side and the Enyimba. You feel say if to say this Super Eagles no happen, this trend for continue.
100%. That's really the start. 100%. You need a big country. Like, if not insult to smaller countries. If not smaller countries, those countries go see play. Different countries get different control. A country like Nigeria can say, okay, we can stand our rights. Because when it comes to African football, we have paid our dues. So that's why Nigeria stand. And Nigeria right now don't set a foundation for other countries too. To say, okay, I can't take it anymore. We just see a lot for Africa. It not be new thing. African countries do it to mentally, psychologically frustrate opposition. They do it a lot.
But how long is too much? I mean, how much is too much?
So as Nigeria don't stand the ground now, others too can stand the ground. I'm not hyping Nigeria. I'm telling you right now, say Nigeria right now be one of the few African countries where they frustrate opponents. Nigeria are part of the few. We don't see them with when Gabon players in the airport for how many hours. We've seen it with Ivory Coast players too. So all these countries, they do. There's something wrong with us with Africa that we like bullying ourselves. We like it. And Africa, we like
something wrong with
we
the black
bully
man.
ourselves. So okay, if I woo you like this, when you compete, you don't go play well. When these players are not good mentally, you go show on the pitch, body no be firewood. Oh, you're talking nonsense.
Now, talking about support, we see the massive support, not just from this players' club side, we also see from the world as well. But even as the world they support, we still see some African countries. I don't know whether they get something against Nigeria. They come out.
Do you like us?
They open.
Do you like Nigerians? We are the most hated. You know South Africans. South African men.
Now you the ask.
I don't block one.
Now you the ask.
No, only South African women love us so.
Now you the
No, only
ask.
Ghanaian women love us so.
Now you the
Now
ask.
only women love us so.
See.
The way they hate Nigeria, I never saw in my life. They hate us. But you know why they hate us? Because naturally we are annoying. And afraid Nigeria is annoying.
I get reason for I get reason why they go hate Nigerians. Nigerians they dominate not just football. In areas of business, economy, entertainment, Nigeria they up there for Africa.
you reach to
and I don't
beef.
I don't meet 1, 2, 3 friends.
You don't
from
meet
other parts of
anybody.
Africa,
You don't know
like
anybody.
Kenya, South Africa. One of my
You
friends,
don't know
Tuli.
any Kenyan.
She
Don't
tell me
listen to my
say,
podcast.
she said for the
You
first time she
don't
come
know any
Nigeria.
Kenyan. You don't know anybody.
For the first time she come from Nigeria,
you don't
she
dey
stayed
lie
like
for here.
6 months in Abuja.
you know
So when
who.
she go follow her friend, this is a real life story. She follow her
Please
friend
cut
go
this.
east.
Cut it.
No cut am, she follow her friend go east.
cut
When
am.
she dey come back,
You lie.
when she dey come back with
So
her
you know
friend,
Kenyan.
the man I gave them $3,000.
Nonsense.
Say thank you for coming. Say in South Africa, where they born, where she grew up. Say South African men, if you go visit.
So if you say
You
that beef,
understand?
they
So
come from another angle.
Nigeria get this beef plenty in all areas. So Nigerian men will they take care, will they give?
Agree with them.
You understand?
Agree with them.
You understand? So normally, when their own people or they're like their women, their other business sector, come they like us, we the guys. Now normal to say they go hit us.
No, they use you as example. Others,
You understand?
because you be like Kenyan. No, they use us. No, they use you.
Now you be like Kenya, you be like
say,
Togo.
normal Nigerians.
You be
So
like Togo.
see, let me tell you something. Other African countries hate us because naturally, when we talk. Papa, we be very proud. An average
Talk
Nigerian
now
is
do.
proud. If Nigerian enter your area, you go to Nigeria. You don't even need to talk. You go know from the way he walks, to the kind of car he drives,
From the way he gives.
and to the way he treats his women. See, the only people where they are against Nigerian men are Nigerian
No,
women.
Nigerian women. No. Nigerian women will never go out. Nigerian women don't go out. They appreciate
Brother,
Nigerian men where they.
a Nigerian man-
any Nigerian woman will don't
Talk-
go out.
Let men talk now.
You understand?
Let boys keep quiet. Let
What do
men
you know
talk.
about?
Let
What
men
do you know
Boys to
about?
men.
Let men
No,
talk.
don't talk about
So
women like that. Because you don't know what you know
this
about women.
Africa, they don't like us. They they hate us. It's hate. If South African man we start war today and go fight Nigeria. If Ghanaian men, we don't talk about their women now. If you put 10 Nigerian men, if you even put this one with 10 leg, they go pick this one out of any Ghanaian guy. I'm telling you simple
Okay,
truth.
make I ask you, ma. Now, back to the Libyans. Them talk say, according to the report where we hear, because person where they do something, just like Buchi take talk am, they no escalate am, they no right to cap because that's the proper channel.
No process.
Now, they no do any of those things. All of a sudden, they feel say they want revenge, they want retaliate. Why you feel say then keep am till now before they come begin the talk?
They don't get anything to do with revenge. They don't get anything to do with because every story where they cook na fake. Because the coordinators of two teams, both the Libyan national team and the Nigerian national team, go meet to exchange number. They go say, bros, we wanna go land. Make a reach for you. The coordinator of Libyan national
I
team.
don't like this mission. And what do you even gain as a Nigerian today against Nigeria against Libya? So kind of time, I think we Nigerians don't understand this. They say when it comes, we can be disunited inside, no problem. But when it comes to outside, we need to be united. Good example. Nobody here will say would they some Nigerian journalists voted against Victor Osimhen and Shola for African best player. Nigerian journalists voted against their own player for the biggest footballing award in Africa. Nigerian journalists, though. All of them voted against Nigerian players, against your own for one of the biggest awards. You will never see an Egyptian journalist, whether the player good or the player no good, vote against his own. You will never see a Tunisian journalist. You will never see a Libyan journalist. But it happens mainly with us because whether you like them or not, we don't really like ourselves. That's the truth.
Finally, on top of this one, what if CAF sanction both Nigeria and Libya? And what if Nigeria no go AFCON 2025? You feel, say, the life of the players now be the cocoa above AFCON 2025.
The good thing is if Nigeria no go AFCON 2025, the biggest thing where they go to achieve, say they don't set a record and they don't make their statement known, say, this treatment on I won't try to bet on us, so not like I'm enough is enough. Even CAF, when they sleep for night, their conscience will blink them. Say Nigeria no commission score.
CAF get conscious.
Which you sleep? Which are they sleep? Brother, anything they want to do, they do.
So, but one person, they go always use one person as a sacrificial lamb. You understand? Whether in Nigeria or Libya. But the good thing we say, Nigeria don't make statement. And I know foreseen, I never imagine say Nigeria no go qualify because CAF won't make money. And they know the presence, they know the economic value of Nigeria if they participate for African Cup of Nations.
And we'll go also use this opportunity to talk, say, we happy well, say the players come back safely. Thank you to Skipo Ekong for all the updates because now one of his tweets, now he can't blow up the whole thing. And of course, the NFF, everybody will get involvement to make sure say these guys come back safely. We really thank you because even we as Nigerians, we've been worried for the safety of our players because just like Buchi talk, a dent on one cheek is a dent on the other cheek because it's not just the players then do unto, now Nigerian now then do unto. All right, remember, say if you shook mad put and of course drop your own messages, drop your own comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe. All right, from that one, make we go our next yarning point, the EPL. In the next couple of days, we go resume back for all the major leagues and of course football will come back after the international break. But then for you, with the current standings as far as they're concerned, Liverpool still the top table, Man City, Arsenal, and of course Aston Villa. But for you, which of these sides you feel say go come back stronger after the break?
Chelsea, they're doing number 4 for the table at the moment. You understand? I'll give you every reason. I'll go pick Chelsea number 1 before Arsenal. You understand? Then maybe Liverpool. You understand? And then City.
Okay.
Chelsea get player, they get team.
Chelsea they 4th, Aston Villa they 5th.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Chelsea they 4th at the moment. So I feel say Chelsea, if they come back from this international break, they go up there because they don't really get the rhythm of their games and they don't score more goals against their opponents even before the international break. So the team don't date together. They don't understand who and who they front. They don't know. They don't decide to take their own destiny to their hands.
Wow.
People
their destiny they person hand before.
No, before.
Okay.
Before.
Okay.
They always realize the goals must come from Nicholas Jackson, number 15 shirt. But right now everybody for off-road they score. Kopama they score, Noni Madueke they score, everybody play together. And even though we know see the Senegalese see they miss goals, they see they give and passes. So opportunity I don't see Caicedo, Enzo don't form that synergy for middle of the park. So at the root for them because they don't face yabbing. People don't talk about them in the past, you understand? And I know they talk because I'm English Premier League fans, but I don't see them. They come like that lion where you can surprise people.
Which lion? The one we don't.
Jovita, the Premier League table right now, freak me. I don't even care. It's just 6 or 7 games. But whenever I reach I don't care. Now, I remember last season, Tottenham was for the shot. Tottenham will go win league. What's happening at the end of the day? But this is not marathon. Anybody talk about Premier League table right now?
Chelsea, nobody caught Tottenham.
Anybody talking about Premier League table right now? That person, sorry.
No, you go. If you talk after 5 games, you can talk about. They say that from death. Now you go no sleep. 7 games is enough. You go no team where you get future. Now because some of their teams where they get money,
only fools. I mean, concave, professional fools.
Wow.
Go talk about Premier League table after 7 games, brother. We have 38 games to play. 38
31
games.
more games.
Even
to
though
go.
say we get
31 more
38,
games.
they-
So
we
don't-
know
that-
say
that-
we know
you
say
go-
every
you go see
international
full
break.
even when you reach December.
We know say every international
It's
break
early.
for teams to come back. Remember say so many teams right now get plenty injured players.
Jovita, I beg you. We already have a fool here. Don't make it two fools. Don't defend this. Let the other fool.
We have a bigger fool.
So let's be honest here. Premier League table right now changes nothing. It is too way down early.
All right.
Coach still they find your SI.
But who go come back stronger this
I don't
weekend?
care. I'll start talking about the table from January next year.
All right.
Okay.
So Chelsea
No,
for
let's
you.
Chelsea.
All right. We don't see say Rodri they wounded,
Oh.
and right now then they find replacement.
Congratulations to him.
And the particular guy where then they look at Martin Zubimendi, they also do big things with Spain
don't
and of
come
course
on
with a club. But then, as far as they concerned now, which player you feel say for your team? You say you be Premier League fan. You I don't know where you did because only when the winning is
When they are
good.
winning, I'm back. Now. I'm not back now.
Yeah,
So when they win,
I know the team.
For your mind, which player right now for the Premier League you feel say if you miss for one particular club where you carry for mind, then go suffer?
As it stand right now, well, I go for Chelsea because I just called their name, man. If you come on Kopama right now, you don't need biblical wisdom of Solomon to be told that they will suffer if you go injury for a month or two, because that guy they carry Chelsea for head, shoulder, everything.
But he mess up well for this international break.
You know matter.
You know,
Part
you
of the game.
now, so.
Maybe part of the
For Arsenal, I'll go with Bukayo Saka.
And right now they injured.
We don't know whether he go play the next game, but Bukayo Saka is very crucial because he get that X factor. That X factor is crucial. If you play nonsense for 90 minutes, change the game in 5 minutes. That's the kind of player he is. For Liverpool, obviously, Mohamed Salah. Nobody can touch Mohamed Salah. For City, obviously. Haaland, they score goals normally, but it has to be Rodri. City go suffer. They don't, that guy even know. They go, but the good thing City did, say they sign Ilkay Gundogan back. That is the best.
As if they saw the
made.
future.
If they don't sign Ilkay Gundogan back, they for suffer well, but then go adapt. The good thing about them is they get a winning mentality squad.
All right, make we go to Man United. Make us start with you, Buchi.
The house boys.
I hear say then they try pursue Tuchel, but
That's
now
devil.
Tuchel don't go for the English job. Now Eric Ten Hag still
Okay.
there. Then do meeting couple of days ago, and
last 2 weeks, yeah,
they
before they-
take some decisions where they take to cut down some expenses, and it affects Sir Alex Ferguson as an ambassador of the club. You feel say sacking Sir Alex Ferguson they crucial to how that team will perform this season.
So I've been saying it for years, that the best thing Sir Alex supposed to do now wash his hand, come out from everything, come out to Manchester United. It is very, very crucial. In this reason, if Sir Alex Ferguson did that board, any manager would he come, could they under the umbrella of the great Alex Ferguson. Of the great Alex Ferguson. The reason why Ferguson do so well for United, now because they didn't leave him alone, making impute in philosophy. They gave him the freedom, the expression. That's now why you need footballing people at football clubs, because they understand that for a manager to do so well, give the manager time and give him space. If Sir Alex still there, if those guys don't be footballing men, they go still go meet them. Sir Alex, please give us advice. Sir Alex, please give us advice. No, it is not needed anymore. He's a legend. History will remember Sir Alex Ferguson for everything he has done at Manchester United. But the biggest mistake we do, now say he left the sport, considering in charge of the running of the club. He did very, very. Make I give you a good example. Look at Arsenal. Arsene Wenger, when he came to Arsenal from Japan, they gave him the key to the Arsenal place, to the Arsenal everything. And Arsene Wenger not just changed Arsenal, he changed the mentality of English football because now his own philosophy, and he put them well. So he knows, say, for me, for the other coach to do well, I need to leave. I need to give the other coach freedom. It's not an insult. Everybody get time where you go there for somewhere. You cannot be somewhere for years. You go see they respect you. You can still come to see them once in a while. They will still respect you well, but leave. Wenger left. Arsenal made that big mistake of bringing Unai Emery. But now you can see, say, Arsenal don't accept that the key. I think that broke all bad records the second season. But you can see, say, even though Arsenal they do bad, hope there for the future. I'm not saying that the Ten Yang.
always get hope.
I'm not saying that the Ten Yang future no day for Ramo. But Ferguson need to be taken out of the picture. Some people just push them to go rest so that the other manager go get enough space. No, they under the umbrella of Sir Alex Ferguson. And he take balls. He take gods. Because Sir Alex Ferguson be the Eligwe of Manchester United. If Ferguson talk, that shall not cross. Nobody people go cross. He is that huge at Manchester United. So they make the right call. Make him go rest, I beg. The guy, change the sick. Make him go rest. You have made billions. Go and buy one Highlander here for Nigeria and chill and enjoy yourself. Let the manager get enough space to impute his philosophy.
Now, still on Manchester United, Bruno Fernandes for this international break talk say the atmosphere for Manchester United no dey positive. How long you feel say Eric Ten Hag go continue it or go last for inside Manchester United?
Because since the atmosphere never ever dey conducive for the players since Eric Ten Hag take over, because he lose control of the dressing room. We don't see players when he don't find out, he don't let us know or let the media know say they know they in game plan or they're not good enough. Those same players don't go to other clubs, they do very well. You understand? So the fact as a coach, if you don't fit carry everybody along for dressing room, you can't get favorite. Problem, your days are just numbered. Waiting they keep him at the moment, the fact that United, I feel United never get that mind to take that boost step to pull out person where go replace and say, you know what, take us to the promised land. We'll give you 5 years.
Waiting you feel say you go point out say Eric Ten Hag don't improve since we come Man United.
FA Cup.
Only to win FA Cup.
Give me trophy now.
Let
me give you one exclusive. Man, you go sack Ten Hag before December, and the replacement will be Ruud van Nistelrooy. I tell you.
Not everybody know now. It's obvious.
All right, and last, before we walk out, come out, make we take a look at one player where we say then cut him ban from 4 years to 18 months, and he will come back by next match. And they talk about Paul Pogba. Yeah. The other time, Graham Souness be they talk say now wasted talent, now the guy be, and now we don't hear say Juve want terminating contract, and as they want terminate him, one club for a native France, where they represent, even though they're from Guinea come from, that's Marseille, they tell and say, come, make we talk. You feel say Paul Pogba, number one, now wasted talent, and secondly, will he ever get back to his best after this wahala we have?
To me, it's never a wasted talent. Paul Pogba, if you count world-class players, you understand? To me,
you go count him as
one. I go count him. Yes, for a player we don't play World Cup finals when we World Cup with France. Don't play at the highest level. You know, in fact, I watched Pogba 2015
I don't watch him.
For Champions League. In contribution to Juventus to semi-final until
you watch your twin brothers.
You understand? Until there is semi-final against Barca. Now there I tell myself, see, this guy go far. 3 years later, he did the World Cup finals, win the World Cup with France. You understand? Score in the World Cup final goals against Croatia. So now just habit. Now in character, make him attract that 4-year ban. Some kind of lifestyle where would they live. But you don't go take away the fact. You understand? Now you don't go take away the fact say he good na quality, na world class quality. And what he just need na regular football. Whether anywhere, whether in France or with Juventus there. If you go to Marseille, fine, better. If you don't go to Marseille, fine. You go now home. It's like you returning back home. You don't go to the under pressure because the media go there in favor and they go play well.
As with the roundup, talking about Marseille, we see them take Mason Greenwood the other time after all the troubles, and now they are going for Paul Pogba. It be like say that club now for people where we say they try resurrect their career or they try come out of one problem or the other.
And it's good because going back to France, the media in France, they as harsh compared to the media in England and the rest. So players need to go somewhere say, you play, they don't get the pressure. See, if media mean you, your face go to people like every week, they go affect you psychologically. That's why they go to all these lower leagues where you go just focus more on the football. And when you get fit mentally, you can come out and play. That's why Juventus no fee afford Pogba because a guy his wages is one of the highest earning player at Juventus. They can't do that. For a player number one, they sure whether he'll come back to invest and also in the injury prone. Pogba have been injured for the last couple of years.
True.
So that risk they worth taking if you consider all the effects. So that's why he did good. I think if Marcel won't sign up or any club won't sign up, I think you go there maybe to the end of the season, then let's take it up from there. It's going to be 32. Still very young, still there in prime, and he can do so well. Pogba is one of the best midfielders I don't see for a long time. Tall, skillful.
And actually, France actually
miss like it's the last World Cup. Complete. It's an hybrid of Kante and Gilberto. Like it's actually a very, very good player. I love.
You go compare Pogba to a player like Balotelli, or you feel says to get edge over Balotelli.
The Balotelli case different because you see the crease. Balotelli go tell you say it's not normal. He knows that I get crease on my head. That's the good thing about age. Balotelli was crazy when he was a young guy.
He's still crazy.
Right now, he don't come down. He don't come down well. Trust me. He don't calm. See, age is very, very important. A woman.
He don't come because see club no rush again now.
He don't come down because he got married, and then
he don't get shit.
Age wise, see, age could calm you down. Maybe everybody they eat for old age.
That is why I need to reply you.
At the age of 50,
you understand?
This guy is the oldest guy in this team.
Like born
at the age of 50. No, see now I see you. This guy see now I see you.
So I be 50.
At the age of you see now I see you now.
I be 50.
At the age of 50.
Is that
zero sense?
The
they say
broadcasting age or
no?
I don't understand.
A fool at 40 is a fool forever. So Balotelli calm down. This guy can never calm down. Remember what this guy do for our Madi disgrace on our podcast.
No,
big disgrace.
I'm waiting.
So when I ask him, how did you hire this guy? I'm like,
wait.
I help you life.
Bob will go play.
All right, my people. Now here we go tap us on top football Mede podcast. Go check us out on top YouTube Football Republic NG and leave your comments there. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Tell your neighbor, tell your side chick, tell your girlfriend, tell your boyfriend. Make una subscribe and they enjoy. Make sure say you shook your mouth put because now your shook mouth station I get this football Mede podcast. My name is Jovita AK. And don't forget say on Okalo Buchi been do birthday.
Yes,
say go carry us out
today.
And of course, enjoyments continue.
What because I know Tinubu? This is Tinubu. What because I know Tinubu?
Don't let me mention
I
name.
don't do birthday. That's not my birthday. I did no birthday. I have no idea.
You did
You
no
celebrated
birthday.
your birthday
I did
was
not.
yesterday. You
All
celebrated.
right, my people.
I was forced to.
When we shop, I go let you know. If we no shop, I go still let you know.
All right,
That's how it go be till next time. We go catch you.